Alright, so we're on our way to the mall, checking out if we could find something new, restock, or whatsoever we could find. And if I wasn't able to find anything, then I might gonna drop by one of the shoe store, sneaker store, or like a consignment store, something like that. I've been eyeing into the go on to that particular one. So if I won't be able to find something, kung wala tayong mahanap sa mga ibang store like ng Jimmy Chess, like Foot Locker, Finish Line, JD Sport, if you could find something na wala tayong mapala doon, maybe we're just gonna drop by doon sa isang sneaker store. Hopefully hawakan natin in hand yung mga hype sneaker na hindi natin kayang bilhin. So let's go.
Alright, I like this one. Michigan PE colorway with that 23 in the back. Snake skin. Alright, look at this one. Kind of cork of Lebron. Man, what a nice design. We got some dunks down here. I'm not really sure what kind of dunk is this one, but hey, nice design as well. Another dunk with a kind of flowery thing. What do you think on this one? Another dunks. Whew, man. Pass. Okay, what else we got here? Well, this is not bad though. Oop. Okay. Alright, what else? So same, another Jordan cork or something. And then what else we find? We got the trees and is the lightning on the back. What do you think? We got some fragments. Jordan 3. Okay, what else? We got some mids. Is this mid or what's that? It's like a shutter backboard mids, but it's not like a high. Okay, what else? We got some high dunks ambush. We got the Kentucky-ish colorway. Nice design and the color. Alright, so what we got here? Is this the 5? The leather is premium though. Okay, moving on to the next store. There we go. Ooh, I got it in hand now. Wow, we got the Travis. Man. Okay. Another hit down here. We got the Union Force. Ooh, well. Alright. So moving on, we got some Yeezy, but I'm not really don't know what kind of Yeezy it is. And then moving on, we got some Kobe's with that gold-ish going on. Not bad. What else we got? More of the Jordan 3 fragments. They got multiple sizes in here. Yep, the quality of the leather is premium. Okay, more Jordans. I like the patent leather of this on the toe box. Nice, the red ones. Alright, we got another Lebron. We got the Lakers colorway. Oh, what do you think on this one? Not bad.